Isn't it amazing how something so small, so seemingly insignificant, can play such a crucial role in the grand scheme of nature? I mean, look at this. Gestures to the acorns, we see them scattered on the ground, maybe kick them while we're walking, or think of them as just squirrel food. But what are acorns really used for? Beyond just being a snack for our bushy-tailed friends, what purpose do they serve? What secrets do they hold? We're going to dive deep into the world of acorns, exploring their surprising versatility and the vital roles they play in our ecosystems and even, believe it or not, human history. You might be surprised to learn just how much these little nuts have shaped our world. Think about it. We often associate acorns with autumn, with the changing leaves and the crisp air. It's a symbol of abundance, of the natural cycle of life. But it's easy to overlook the why. Why do oak trees produce these seemingly endless supplies of acorns? Why are they so important? To understand that, we need to start with the oak tree itself. These majestic giants, often centuries old, are the powerhouses behind the acorn. The oak is a keystone species, meaning it plays a critical role in maintaining the structure of its ecological community. Without the oak, the entire ecosystem would change dramatically. And acorns are central to that role. Acorns are, fundamentally, oak seeds. They are the reproductive units of the oak tree. They are designed to germinate and grow into new oak trees, ensuring the continuation of the species. But they're more than just seeds. They are packed with nutrients, a concentrated source of energy and sustenance. Let's break down the acorn's composition. They're rich in carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These nutrients are essential for the germination process, providing the seedling with the energy it needs to sprout and grow. But they also make acorns a valuable food source for a wide range of animals. Squirrels are the most famous consumers of acorns. They gather and bury them, creating caches for the winter. This behavior not only ensures the squirrel's survival but also plays a vital role in seed dispersal. Many buried acorns are forgotten or left undisturbed, eventually germinating and growing into new oak trees. But it's not just squirrels. Deer, wild turkeys, bears, and even insects rely on acorns as a crucial food source. In some ecosystems, acorns are a primary food source, influencing the population dynamics of these animals. A poor acorn crop can lead to population declines, while a bumper crop can lead to population booms. Think of the impact on the forest ecosystem. The availability of acorns directly affects the health and stability of the entire community. It influences the predator-prey relationships, the distribution of animals, and even the regeneration of the forest itself. Beyond their ecological importance, acorns have also played a significant role in human history. Many indigenous cultures relied on acorns as a staple food source. They developed sophisticated techniques for processing acorns, removing the bitter tannins and making them palatable. The process was often labor-intensive, involving leaching, grinding, and cooking. But the nutritional value of acorns made them a valuable resource, especially in areas where other food sources were scarce. Acorn flour was used to make bread, porridge, and other dishes. In California, for example, the indigenous people relied heavily on acorns. They had a deep understanding of the different oak species and their acorns, and they developed specialized tools and techniques for harvesting and processing them. The importance of acorns is reflected in their mythology and cultural practices. Even in Europe and Asia, acorns were used as a food source during times of famine. They were also used to feed livestock and pigs. The tannins in acorns were used for tanning leather and dyeing fabrics. The versatility of acorns is truly remarkable. They're not just food, they're also a source of medicine. Traditional medicine systems used acorns to treat a variety of ailments, including diarrhea, dysentery, and skin conditions. The tannins in acorns have astringent properties, which can help to reduce inflammation and promote healing. Acorns have even been used in the production of beverages. In some cultures, roasted acorns were used as a coffee substitute. They have a nutty flavor and a slightly bitter taste, similar to coffee. But the uses of acorns extend beyond food and medicine. They're also used in crafts and art. Acorn caps are used to make miniature figurines, jewelry, and other decorative items. Their unique shapes and textures make them a popular material for nature-inspired crafts. And let's not forget the importance of acorns in reforestation efforts. Oak trees are valuable timber trees, and acorns are essential for regenerating oak forests. In areas where oak populations have declined, acorns are collected and planted to restore the forest. The role of acorns in carbon sequestration is also significant. Oak trees, like all trees, absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. By promoting oak regeneration, we can help to mitigate climate change. But there is still more to this story. Acorns are a vital part of the food chain, and the health of oak trees, and therefore the production of acorns, directly reflects the health of the entire ecosystem. Climate change, deforestation, and invasive species are all threats to oak populations and acorn production. Changes in temperature and rainfall patterns can affect the timing and abundance of acorn crops. Droughts can reduce acorn production, while warmer temperatures can increase the risk of pest infestations. Deforestation and habitat loss are also major threats to oak populations. As forests are cleared for agriculture and development, oak trees are lost, and acorn production declines. Invasive species, such as the sudden oak death pathogen, can also devastate oak populations. These pathogens can kill oak trees, reducing acorn production and disrupting the entire ecosystem. So, what can we do to protect acorns and oak trees? We can support conservation efforts that protect oak forests and promote sustainable forest management. We can also educate ourselves and others about the importance of acorns and oak trees. We can plant oak trees in our yards and communities, providing habitat for wildlife and contributing to carbon sequestration. We can also support research and monitoring efforts that track oak populations and acorn production. By understanding the importance of acorns, we can appreciate their role in the natural world and take steps to protect them. These small nuts, often overlooked, are essential for the health and stability of our ecosystems. They are a vital food source for wildlife, a critical component of forest regeneration, and a valuable resource for humans. From the ancient traditions of indigenous cultures to the modern efforts of conservationists, acorns have played a significant role in shaping our world. They are a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving our natural heritage. 1. www.pinterest.com www.pinterest.com. The next time you see an acorn, take a moment to appreciate its significance. It's not just a nut, it's a seed, a food source, a medicine, a craft material, and a symbol of life. It's a reminder of the power and resilience of nature. It's a testament to the intricate web of life that sustains us all. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.